Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, January 20th, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Well, we have a new president, and the Dow seemed to kind of acknowledge that today. Ended up closing up 95 points. It was kind of interesting. I was watching the inaugural events on streaming TV on my computer, and I tell you, markets are crazy. This bar you see here in the Dow, big drop in less than 15 minutes, took place when Donald Trump laid his hand on the Bibles. But it came back. So God knows what traders were thinking when they started selling on this bar. But yeah, Donald's our president, and they're going to have to live with it. Uh, it was a good day for us. We had negative equity on the close yesterday. We closed out positive $433. At least it was a little bit positive. But we are carrying positive $12,000 in open trade equity over the weekend and going into next Monday. So that really looks good. But it's all in one stock. And I will show you, I can't talk about today if I don't show you this stock. This is Stone Energy, which is wild stock. We had bought this yesterday, right, first hour or so. It had actually closed against us. This was one of those stocks I was complaining yesterday. Everything's negative, and this just goes to show you never know what's going to happen. We trade a lot of stocks looking for that big trade, and it came today in Stone Energy. We're not out of it, and this is a little bit frustrating, but this thing just took off like a bird today. And up here, we were up about $24,000. It pulled back, and we got about $12,000 here in open trade. So we gave back quite a bit on the pullback, but we're not out of it. And we've traded Stone Energy before, and it's pulled back and then gone back up. So let's knock on wood. I think we'll get out of this really good. But regardless, we got $12,000 or so in open trade in Stone Energy. That really looks good. Hey, we had a good week today. Oh, I want to mention, if you're interested in looking at the total trading of all of last year in 2016, I now have that posted on the website. It's way down at the bottom of the front page. There's 4 full years of trading. You can download all those years, including last year. Take a look at it. It was a wild year, but we ended up quite profitable, believe it or not. So, and I have higher hopes for this year. Anyway, that's the way it went. You guys have a fantastic weekend. I'm going to have a fantastic weekend. I'll be back here online on Monday.